Ahmed Issa na the TV and radio presenter of the year. I have spoken. Una no know wetin dey come now. Nah, I wish I fit just see this guy give am one better kiss now. Hey, because he has made my day. If una see wetin this guy do, oh, Bia, share this video. Any of una wey know am, tell her say I owe him a kiss. Yes. Why una dey look me like that? I don't know how many of una don hear about the matter wey happen. That woman, I don't know whether to call her woman or lady, but anyhow, the woman wey pour kerosene on top small girl head, light am. According to her, say they tell her say the girl na witch. I don't know how many of una don hear am, but if you never hear am, it dey happen live and direct. He pour kerosene, he light am. He say because they tell her say the girl is a witch, oh, the girl is a witch, oh. Her brother pikin, oh, no be even one stranger, no be even say her own brother child. Now wetin she do? I no wan tell una wetin this TV and radio presenter do. It dey sweet me for body. I want make una listen to her by yourself, because if I tell una now, you no go sweet again. I will put the video where they watch.
Madam, what is your name?
My name is Susan.
So, why you tie that pikin hand and leg, pour am kerosene, light fire?
Honestly, sir, I don't know what entered me that I do that thing. I don't even know what the time when the thing happened.
Madam, who told you that the child is a witch?
Nobody.
Madam, I'm going to ask you again. Who told you that child, that little child, is a witch?
Nobody told me anything about that. Please, sir, I am begging for forgiveness. I don't know what happened.
Madam, tell me the truth now. I will give you one last chance.
As the thing happened, me, I don't know how come the thing can happen like that.
It seems that the honorary president has had enough, but there's one more thing he wants to do.
Okay, thank you very much, everybody. Thank you.
Yay! Yay! Yeah! Hi! Oh, yeah! This one sweet me. Leave am. Oh, abeg, if you know say you be radio presenter, TV presenter, anything as long as say presenter dey inside, follow by example. My problem now na this wetin they call the BBC. Why they come dey change matter? They paint the guy blue, black, and yellow. They do which one is he assaulted, the physical assaulted? Which assault? That slap sef no do. No, I wan ask una first. How many of una dey join me now to support this guy, Issa? Because I support him. I support him fully. The girl sef dey very annoying. They ask you question, you dey there. I no understand. They suppose give am a better one. That one sef no even. You don't understand. You don't know what came over you. I don't know what came over me. I'm asking for forgiveness. Oh yeah, forgive the presenter too. As he slap you, you did not know what came over him too. Oh yeah. No, make we see. Human beings, we need to give una the taste of our own medicine. You light fire. You pour kerosene on top person head, light fire. Burn the girl finish. Now you're telling us you don't know what came over me. See presenter we sabi work. Tell him I owe him a kiss. So these presenters sabi work. I don't understand. I wish say everybody fit start to do like this. No, they ask stupid questions. Wetin be that one? You know one wey go do in your boy. That guy wey kill in your boy. That guy wey go look for job. See presenter wey they ask am stupid question. So are you in love with the girl? Are you? Person wey keep person una still dey romance. Now wetin be dey vex me for that matter? I will say they use this guy. Hey, imagine say they use this guy for that in your boy. Hey. Hey, Samuna. That one he go visit the ancestors, come back, come tell us how he be. Because the way he goes descorticizing face, finish. Make una no worry. Now I know who I go dey call if I dey get interview matter. Yes, I hate what I don't like. Oh, I don't like nonsense. I'm not like, and as I dey see this man, this is our blood they relate. We communicate spiritually because he also doesn't like nonsense. You know, una see him for the video. After I ask, I give you one last chance. Who told you she's a witch? I give you one last chance. He asked her like 3 times. My people, and so started shared it. Some people just like they do things where you know, so you know if you do for your own self, you go to do out another person. Can you born your child? Okay, except if you are possessed. But on a normal day, you feel carry kerosene, say they born your own pikin where you push. The pain alone, where you remember how you push that pikin out, it not going to even allow you touch her. You see, this guy even supposed to use hammer. Give us more sense. So now, wait till we go. No, how we want to settle this matter now? Una they complain. Hey, he physically assaulted the girl during the interview. Wait till no, you won't compare slap with person where they don't burn in head. This one that way, by now say she even supposed the police say. In fact, like if I'm not even the mistake, life imprisonment self, bam. The thing where they pay me now, forget that slap. They not even slap her. Now the pikin now where they born. The pikin now where they use fire on top. Now that one be my major concern right now. Me una better arrest that woman. No be the one where after this interview, hey, arrest this woman. Put her beer. In fact, she dey craze. She is foolish. I dey think of name where I go even give her. Your brother pikin. Please arrest her. I don't know whether na 80 years una go give her more. I don't even know whether na life in prison. I don't even know, but my own be say, I beg, this woman needs to be arrested. My people. Now why una need subscribe to? How una want know wetin be the final say? How una want know wetin happen? How una want, you understand? Very, very important. Just subscribe, click on that thing so that you no go miss am. Very, very important. And I still want to know wetin una dey think for this comment section. First of all, are you supporting the presenter? Wetin you do? You are okay with it or you are not? Drop her for that side. Very, very important. And how now what made the punishment for the woman be? Life imprisonment, 80 years, state her for that side too. I still want to know what una dey think. And don't forget to click on that notification bell so that you don't go miss anything I get here for you. Stay tuned for our next story.